Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to hide images on Tab Hover preview cards in Chrome on your PC. This feature allows you to customize your browsing experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your PC. You can do this by locating the Chrome icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. Once you find it, simply click to launch the browser. Step 2. Look towards the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see 3 vertical dots, also known as the More button. Click on it. Step 3. A drop-down menu will appear. From the options presented, select Settings. Step 4. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Appearance section. Click on it to open the Appearances settings. Step 5. Within the Appearances section, you'll find an option labeled Show Images on Tab Hover Preview Cards. To hide the images, simply toggle the switch to the off position. And that's it! You have successfully hidden the images on Tab Hover Preview Cards in Chrome on your PC. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.